Hey everybody, this is fried rice that would make Uncle Roger proud.
Did you know you could go to the store and get a smoked ham and then make it better? Smoke it again.
Ham. What's for dinner? This ham came with this. This is honey glaze, ham glaze. We don't want that. That's garbage. I don't want my ham to be sweet. We're gonna open up fancy red package to introduce you to another plastic package. Examine the ham, cut it out of the package. This is spiral cut, but we're still gonna add a few more cuts to it. Bone in, as you can see, bone. These are folded steel knives, available in the link down below. Great knives, love them. Been using them a lot. So being as we have lots of spiral cuts all the way around it, we don't have to make these cuts. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here and we're gonna make some cuts up it. Okay, we're gonna call that good. So now what are we gonna do to this? We're gonna smoke this smoked ham. So we're gonna take it out, we're gonna put it out in the smoker. We're gonna get this thing beautiful. And then this is gonna turn into chicken fried rice. This out here, put it on the smoker. Pit Boss Pro Series available at Lowe's. Smoker set for 180 degrees. We're gonna get a good smoke on here. We're just gonna put that right there. And we're gonna let it run, let it ride, close it up. See you in a couple hours and take a look at it.
All right, let's go take a look at that ham and let's get it wrapped up because we don't want that outside to dry up. Everybody likes a moist ham. Look at that, you can see the cuts starting to show up, rendering that fat. It's gonna be perfect. So we're gonna put it in that aluminum foil. And then we're gonna wrap it up. Put it right back in the smoker and we're gonna leave it at 180 degrees until we get back from the boys' football game. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Piece of it. Look how beautiful it is. Smells good. Nice and smoky. We'll give it a taste. That's what ham supposed to taste like. Didn't need anything extra. It's already cured, ready to go. Throw it in the smoker, smoke it through. We got some nice rendering of the fat. We just took this ham to the next level. All right, we'll bring it back when we're making a meal out of this.
All right, we got this beautiful double smoked ham. What are we gonna do with it? Well, we've got some day old rice. Let's make some gorgeous fried rice, but not just any fried rice. Wagyu fried rice. We're gonna decide how much ham we want to put on this. I'm thinking that's probably a good place to start. Why not? Why not be a little ham heavy? Now we're just gonna cube it up. You're making fried rice. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to have it, oh my goodness, everything's gotta be consistent. Make it an adventure for somebody to eat. When I said ham heavy, I meant ham heavy. All right, so next we have our fresh green onions. Okay, we're gonna want the whites and the greens in this. You can save a little bit for the end if you want to garnish with it. I'm gonna leave just a little bit at the end to garnish. Okay, now we need our garlic. Takes about 1 clove, so you know we're putting in 4. Crush your garlic. Makes it easier to peel, and it also wakes up that garlic, starts getting the enzymes moving. Cut your garlic up nice and fine. Cut up your garlic however you want. There's no wrong way to do it, unless you cut your finger off. Then that would be the wrong way to do it. Okay, now we gotta cut up our carrots and our peas. Done. So now we've got almost all of our ingredients ready. We're gonna have to cook our eggs. We've already got our rice taken care of right here. And we're only gonna be using maybe about a half of this. Let's move over to the stove and get cooking. We're gonna start off with this amazing South Chicago Packing Company beef Wagyu. We're gonna get this cranking hot. We want it hot. Going with about that much oil to start with. We'll add more as we go to other things. Okay, we don't want these to be like anything other than fried rice eggs. And as you can see, I'm using the Hexclad wok. Wonderful piece of equipment. Link and discount also available down in the description down below. I'm not going to season my eggs right here. We're going to get seasoning and everything else. And I'm not going to cook these clear through. I want them to still be vibrant because they are going to get finished off when we put them in everything else. So those are done. That was quick. So we're just going to get those right down in here. Okay, we're going to get that back on there. We're going to go back in with some more oil. Okay, I'm going to go in with my onions and my garlic. Should get really fragrant here. Beautiful smell. And on this, I'm going to go in with some smoked salt. Some morale smoked salt. And of course, we're going to make Uncle Roger happy with a little bit of MSG. I know everybody says MSG is just the most horrible thing in the world. Now we're going to go in with our peas and our carrots. Go in with our ham, and this is a lot of ham. And it does smell really good. So just get this stuff cooking nice. You don't want it to get too much color. You're just trying to loosen everything up. We're going to go in with our rice. Just chop it up a little bit. As it comes up to temperature, it's going to start loosening up quite a bit. That rice grains will break apart. Now we're going to go in with soy sauce. Soy sauce does also have MSG in it. It is coming together very fast. It does not take long to make fried rice. We're going to go in with our eggs. And that is completed ham fried rice. Let's do something fancy here. Let's just make it look like, woo, we did something amazing. So we're going to throw this in here. Mash it down. Then we're just going to turn it right out onto there. A little bit of garnishing.
Nom, 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 nom.
Let's give this a try. Now that's fried rice. I don't care. I don't care. Uncle Roger, come try my fried rice. That is delicious. Don't just take my word for it. Let's have my wife come in here and give it a try. That's way better than any fried rice I've ever had.
That ham gives it a different flavor. Or maybe it's the Wagyu, but it's really good.
Yeah, I suggest trying that recipe. Recipe will be in the description down below. This video right here, YouTube picked for you. This one down here, I picked for you. Right over here is going to be the subscription button.